Hello everyone, welcome back to another class of body fluids and circulation. So in our last class we have discussed about cardiac cycle where we have seen the activities of different chambers of the heart. So we have discussed about atrial systole, ventricular systole, then the diastole. So today we are going to discuss about another topic which is electrocardiograph, also known as ECG. Okay. So ECG is also abbreviated for electrocardiography and electrocardiogram. These all the terms are related with a single test. So the test is known as the electrocardiography and the machine is electrocardiograph, and the graphical representation means where wave-like structures are found is known as the electrocardiogram. Okay, so ECG is basically a graphical representation of the electrical activity of the heart during a cardiac cycle. हार्ट में जो कार्डियक साइकिल होता है, कार्डियक साइकिल को ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए ECG टेस्ट किया जाता है. ये टेस्ट इसलिए किया जाता है ताकि कार्डियक साइकिल नॉर्मल है या नहीं ये टेस्ट करने के लिए ECG किया जाता है. ओके, सो ड्यूरिंग ECG द पेशेंट is connected with the ECG machine with some electrical leads. Okay, in a standard ECG test 3 electrical leads are used, one to each of the wrist, दोनों हाथ के wrist में एक एक लीड लगाया जाता है, and another one in the left ankle. Okay, ताकि जो हार्ट रेट है वो मेजर किया जा सके. But along with these 3 leads, other electric leads are also used in chest also. Okay, ताकि अच्छे से वो जितना भी हार्ट रेट है, जो कार्डियक साइकिल का जो रेट है वो समझ में आए. Okay, so here you can see these are the electric leads which are used in a patient's body. Is the ECG machine, and the result of the ECG means ये जो ECG का जो सिस्टोल डायस्टोल फेज है, ये फेज शो किया जाता है in a paper known as electrocardiogram. Okay, so electrocardiogram में wave like structure रहता है which is then read to see the cardiac cycle of the patient. Okay, so what are these wave like structure, how these wave like structures are studied, let's discuss. So in a single cardiac cycle a curve like this can be observed. This is a representation of a single cardiac cycle. एक सिंगल कार्डियक साइकिल का ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन है जिसको डिनोट किया जाता है फ्रॉम द अल्फाबेट P to T. Okay, PQRST. So we know in a minute the heart beat 72 times average. So in 1 minute the cardiac cycle is also average 72. Okay, so ये एक सिंगल कार्डियक साइकिल का है. Okay, so यहाँ पे देख सकते हो there are 3 waves, P wave, then QRS wave, then T wave. So to understand the electrocardiogram we have to understand these waves. What is the meaning of these waves? Okay, so the first wave is the P wave. So what is this P wave? This P wave, this represent the electrical excitation. इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्साइटेशन कब होता है? जब साइनो एट्रियल नोड SAN इम्पल्स जनरेट करता है. इसके बाद इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्साइटेशन होता है which is also known as depolarization. Okay, and this electrical excitation occurs in the atria, and after this the atrial contraction occurs, atrial systole occurs. Okay, so we have discussed in cardiac cycle कि पहले एट्रियम सिस्टोल होता है, देन वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल होता है, आफ्टर दैट जॉइंट डायस्टोल. ओके, सो दिस P wave, this is the starting of the atrial systole. Atrial systole start होता है after this P wave. Okay. Next is the QRS complex. This one, this QRS complex. This represent the depolarization of the ventricles. Okay, ventricle का depolarization को रिप्रेजेंट करता है QRS. वेंट्रिकल का डीपोलराइजेशन का मतलब है कि वेंट्रिकुलर कंट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट होगा, मींस वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल स्टार्ट होगा. आफ्टर एट्रियल सिस्टोल द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल. टू स्टार्ट वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल द वेंट्रिकुलर डीपोलराइजेशन occurs and this is represented by this QRS complex. Okay, after that the third wave is T wave. And this T wave represent the repolarization of the ventricles. Okay, ventricular repolarization. Repolarization means ventricular systole खत्म होने वाला है और ये जहाँ पे ये T wave खत्म हो जाता है means वहाँ पे ventricular systole भी खत्म हो जाता है. After that ventricular diastole will start. And we know that ventricular diastole is accompanied by the atrial diastole, means यहाँ पे joint diastole हो जाता है. Okay, so this is the representation of a electrocardiogram with single cardiac cycle in a healthy human being. Okay, healthy individual में ये representation होता है electrocardiogram का. But if the individual have any problem in the cardiac cycle, तो ये जो इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ है ये इस तरह नहीं रहेगा, इसमें कुछ चेंजेस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो द डॉक्टर कैन रीड दिस electrocardiogram with the help of this P wave, QRS complex and T wave, and they can locate that where the exact problem is. Okay, सिस्टोल में प्रॉब्लम है या डायस्टोल में प्रॉब्लम है, एट्रियल सिस्टोल और वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल किस में प्रॉब्लम है ये डिटेक्ट करने के लिए ये टेस्ट किया जाता है. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम along with the systole and the diastole timing. Okay, here you can see जहाँ पे P wave खत्म होता है, P wave initiates the atrial systole. जैसे P wave खत्म होता है तब atrial systole start होता है. Okay, similarly जहाँ पे QRS wave, this initiates the ventricular systole. Ventricular systole QRS complex के बाद start होता है and this T wave initiates the ventricular diastole. जहाँ पे T wave खत्म होता है ventricular diastole start होता है. Okay, so this way we read the ECG. Okay, and this is about one cardiac cycle. Okay, next is double circulation. So we know human heart consists of 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. So lungs exchange the gases and then the oxygenated blood carried by the pulmonary vein come to the left atrium. From left atrium it move to the left ventricle. From left ventricle the aorta, this is the aorta, this aorta distributes the oxygenated blood throughout the body. Okay, and in the body tissue respiration occur where the carbon dioxide will form and this carbon dioxide will go to the blood. Now it becomes deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood carried by this vena cava, there are 2 vena cava, superior and inferior. This vena cava it moves to the right atrium. From right atrium it then go to the right ventricle, and from the right ventricle through the pulmonary artery it moves back to the lungs. Okay, so in this way we can see that in the heart the blood passes twice, the once the oxygenated blood and then the deoxygenated blood. Okay, so this is the double circulation. So in this complete double circulation, we can again categorize it with different circulation system. So these are pulmonary circulation. Okay, so pulmonary means lungs. So the circulation between the heart and the lungs is known as pulmonary circulation. Okay, heart and lungs के बीच में जो circulation होता है उसे कहा जाता है pulmonary circulation, and it is done by the pulmonary vein and the pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary vein brings the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart, and pulmonary artery brings the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. So this circulation between the heart and the lungs is known as pulmonary circulation. Next is systemic circulation. Systemic circulation is the circulation between heart and the body. Okay, heart से जो through aorta oxygenated blood body tissue में जाता है, and the deoxygenated blood through vena cava body tissue से जो heart में आता है, इस system of circulation को कहा जाता है systemic circulation. Okay. Then the next one is hepatic portal circulation. It is a special type of circulation between digestive tract and liver. Liver and digestive tract के बीच में एक special type of blood circulation होता है, जिसको कहा जाता है hepatic portal circulation. And last one is coronary circulation. Coronary circulation is the circulation between the cardiac system. Okay. Heart distribute the oxygenated blood via the aorta throughout the body. Okay, but heart itself also need oxygenated blood, and this is given by coronary artery, and this circulation is known as coronary circulation. Okay, circulation to and from the cardiac muscle is known as coronary circulation. Okay, so that's all about double circulation and the different types of circulation in the body. So that's all for today. Today we have discussed ECG and double circulation. Thank you.